morning, students. How are you all? Hope all are safe at their home. So, after an interval of time, again we are back to a GK class. Today we will start Unit 6, Differently Abled, page 22. Students, please write the spelling from the pictures which given in your book. So, first answer is Helen Keller. She was an American author, political activist, and lecturer. She was the first deaf and blind person to get the Bachelor of Arts degree. Second is Stevie Wonder. He is an American musician, singer, songwriter, record producer. A child prodigy, he became one of the most creative and loved musical performers of the late 20th century. This is our second answer, Stevie Wonder. Third answer is Ludwig van Beethoven. He is regarded as one of the best composers. He is also included in the list of great pupils with disabilities. He achieved different milestones despite being completely deaf. So third answer is Ludwig van Beethoven. Next, fourth answer is Sudha Chandran. Students, as you are able to see the pictures, she is an act dancer and actress. Hope all have seen her in the TV serials. This accomplished Bharatnatyam dancer turned to acting after losing a leg in an accident. She is not having the one leg, but she is the best dancer. Number fifth answer is Marla Renian. At the age of 9, she was infected by Stargardt disease, which made her blind. She is 3-time national champion in the women's 5,000-meter race. She won 4 gold medals. Last sixth answer is Vincent van Gogh. He was a Dutch painter. His paintings have immensely contributed to the foundations of modern art. In his 10-year painting career, he produced 860 paintings and 1,300 drawings. He struggled with mental illness. So students, these are the few differently abled persons which we have described in this topic. Students, hope you all have understood the topic. Please complete your book. In the next video, we will discuss the next page. Thank you.